Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some strawberry frosting. And what you need is some strawberries, and you can use canned, fresh, or frozen. Or if you want, you can use some strawberry flavoring too. And then some red food coloring, some baking vanilla, some powdered sugar, and 2 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 16 tablespoons or 1 cup. And then we need a cake of any type. And you can use any type of cake you want. You can use like a homemade one, or like a store-bought one, or maybe even like a box cake. And you can really use any flavor of cake you want, like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Alright, and then we need to put the 2 sticks of butter into a bowl. And I'm not going to be using strawberry flavoring for this recipe. And then we need to beat that with an electrical beaters until it's all light and fluffy. Butter should look like this when it's all light and fluffy. And with measuring stuff out, you want to pour something like into it and then like kind of like shake it some to try and level it out, and then repeat the same until you have the measurement that you want. Oh jeez. Alright, then it should look like that. Alright, and then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, and then we are going to mix that together with a rubber spatula. And with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as good as you can get it. But then if you want, you can also use an electrical beaters for this. And then once the powdered sugar is in here, it should look something like that. And if the frosting is a little greasy, you can always add some more powdered sugar to it to get it to not be as greasy. Alright, and then we need to cut up these strawberries here. And with these strawberries, we are going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And with the strawberries, you can add the amount that you want. And then, like, if you want, you can do like a mixture of like strawberries and like strawberry flavoring, or like just strawberry flavoring, or like just strawberries. gonna mix that and here. And then we also gotta add some food coloring to it too. I'm gonna be using the red food coloring here. This is actually starting to look really good. But another idea is that you could like add a little bit of like red fruit coloring, but then like leave some white here to get strawberry and vanilla. And another idea is that you could add some like chocolate flavoring to this too. Or even some banana flavoring. Or if you want, you could add some actual bananas. Alright, and now we are going to put the strawberry onto this cake here. And I made a strawberry cake. Alright. And I'm gonna kind of place on top of it like this. And I'm gonna have to kind of spread it out some. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna go well, but oh well. Frosting is on the cake. It should look something like this.